Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ebony and I'm Erica, and in today's video we're going to be exploring aloe vera and how it helps with hair growth. I know we mentioned last video in our Indian hair growth video, we mentioned how aloe vera is good for the hair. So we decided to test out a few aloe vera DIY products for the hair. And yeah, like I said in the last video, I do use aloe vera for my skin. I use it as a toner and it works really well. I use the actual aloe vera leaf. I do have an aloe vera gel that's 100% natural as well that you can buy off Amazon. I have that link below. But I'm excited that aloe vera is just as beneficial for the hair. So aloe vera has many benefits for your hair, but one of the main things that we want to focus on that it really works well for is your scalp. As you all know, hair growth starts with your scalp, and aloe vera is like a scalp healer. So anything that's going to heal the scalp like aloe vera is very key for this video. So we're just going to focus on 3 main issues with your hair that aloe vera can help combat. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. So the first area is conditioning. We will be making a deep conditioner using aloe vera. Now aloe vera is a natural conditioner anyway, and it has a whole bunch of vitamins in it, and it is already high in water content. Now next is scalp relief. Yes, we'll be making a scalp tonic to relieve your scalp with dandruff, dry areas, and just itchiness, yeah. And last but not least, we'll be using aloe vera to make an edge gel to revive hair that just won't grow anymore. We will be reclaiming edges in 2018. Some of these edges have left this earth, they're gone. So yeah, we're gonna bring them back because aloe vera helps, like I said, helps revive dead hair follicles. It has enzymes in them that helps rebuild dead skin cells. So we're just gonna make an edge gel. It's not really a holding gel for your edges. It's just something you can rub on your edges to help regrow them. And you can use it along with the holding gel. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. So of all the aloe vera deep conditioning recipes that I found, I used this one because it uses coconut oil and I love coconut oil. So for this product recipe, we're going to use 4 tablespoons of aloe vera, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 4 tablespoons of coconut milk. So you're just going to throw those ingredients into a bowl and just mix those all together very well. And then after that, you're just going to slather it onto your hair, throw on a shower cap for penetration, and then rinse it out after about 30 minutes. Alright, next it's time to get rid of that itchy scalp, and I'm all for this scalp tonic gel. So you're going to use 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 4 drops of tea tree oil, and 4 drops of lavender oil. Alright, so after mixing all those ingredients together in a bowl, you're just going to pour that into a little application bottle, and I got this bottle from Nigel's Beauty Supply. I really like using this type of bottle for any type of scalp issues because it just makes for an easy application onto the scalp. Alright, so what I like about this scalp tonic gel is that it uses lavender oil and tea tree oil. As most of you all know, lavender oil is good for hair growth, so that's good that you're applying it to the scalp. And then tea tree oil is good for scalp care, so you're kind of getting that extra dose of scalp care by using aloe vera and tea tree oil. And lastly, to get those edges in check, we are making an edge gel. So we're using 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 5 to 7 drops of lavender oil, 1 teaspoon of gelatin, 2 capsules of vitamin E, and warm water. Alright, so for the first mixture, you're just going to add the gelatin in with the warm water and just stir that until the gelatin is absorbed. And then you're going to add your vitamin E capsules, then add the aloe vera gel, the lavender oil, and then you're just going to mix everything together. And once you mix everything together, you're just going to pour it all into a container. And I like to put this container into the refrigerator for about 30-40 minutes just to get that jelly consistency. And again, like we mentioned earlier, this gel is only to help regrow your edges. This is not a gel that's going to lay your edges. Use this as a complement to an edge control gel, but again, it is not that type of edge control. Alright guys, so that is it for our aloe vera hair video. Let us know in the comments if you use aloe vera for your hair. We will have some other recipes in the description box. Please make sure to look at the description box. They hold a whole bunch of gems that we may have not put in the video. Yeah, and we just want you guys to know more about it. So yeah, check the description box for more. And thank you guys for watching our video, and subscribe for more hair videos. We have more coming. I know you guys love those, so stay subscribed. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye! Bye!